You would have discussed with friends. Okay, anyway, so let me wait for 5 minutes that let others also complete. Okay, those who attended, no, at least they complete. So then I'll explain. Okay, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Do is 57. 2 बाइनरी मतलब 2 से डिवाइड करते रहो और रिमाइंडर्स नोट करते रहो साइड में. You see the PPT how I have done in a table, but you need not do it in a table. You can just do it 57. So put one line, one L shape line, and then 2 in the left side, then quotient in the down, and then right side you can take the remainder. Keep doing like that. Anyone has completed first one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, not getting for second one, ma'am.
Aman Raj, Aditya Raj.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, who finished everything? All questions, all four. Yeah, tell me first one by 57 base 10. Binary में क्या था?
Ma'am, 111001.
Who?
9, 11th Sharma.
Sanskriti.
Sanskrit.
What happened to Sanskriti? She could not join class. 3 missed calls. 1 second. Sanskriti could not join or what? What happened? Okay, wait, let me, she is calling, just I'll share the link to her, okay ma'am? Or someone share the link, no?
Ma'am, for second one, I'm not getting, ma'am.
Second one, yeah, I'll show, I'll explain, okay, don't worry.
Ma'am, can you show the notepad? Finished all of you? All questions? Yeah, by then I'll share link to Sanskriti also. She is waiting.
మన ఫోన్ ఆన్ అవుతుందిరా. Someone share link to Sanskrit. You know, my phone got switched off. Children, someone share today's class link now to Sanskrit. In the class group, you can put. Okay, now let me explain you. See, 57. When 57 divided by 2, what is the remainder, children? Tell me now 57. First, binary equivalent we will
1,
see.
ma'am.
Yeah, binary when we are doing, see, 57 is below 64. So 32's place we need 16, then 8. 16 के बाद 32's place, then 16's place, then 8's place, then 4's place, then 2's place, and 1's place, isn't it, children? So 32 may ek 1, then 57 minus 32, how much, children? 57 minus 32, how much?
Ma'am, 25.
25. 16 plus 8?
24.
So 24. और एक 1 चाहिए ना हमको. You can cross check. If this is the answer, then it is correct, children. This is base 2. आ गया आपका आंसर? Without division, I have done.
How, ma'am?
Because we know the power place value, right? So 57 is obviously less than 64. See, 1, 2, 1's place, 2's place, 4's place, 8's place, 16's place, 32's place I have taken. And yeah, it is odd number. So 1 ke niche to 1 chahiye. Next 56 chahiye. So by adding, by taking the combination of these numbers, where and all we have to put 1, you have to decide. That way you can do. But in exam, you don't do like this. Cross check only, I'm telling you this shortcut. Okay, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, octal. Octal में बताओ base 1, then 8. 8 8 sir?
64.
64.
Now tell me. So how much I should put? 64 to nahi chahiye because 57 is less than that only. So 8 8 5 40. 8 6 48. 8 7s. 7 8 how much?
56.
56. And then we need 1. Yes or no? So 7 1 base 8 is the answer. Okay, ma? Next, hexadecimal को convert करेंगे now. Hexadecimal में अब बताओ. So 16's place and then 1's place. 1's place. है ना? So now 16 4's 48 only. 16 5's how much?
Ma'am, 80.
80. So 16 4's 48. हो गया? 48 plus 9. 48 plus 9. हो गया बेटा 4 9 base 16.
Ma'am, 16 3s are 40.
16 3s are 16 4s are
64.
64.
Yeah. So 39 base 16 is the answer for your question. Okay, decimal value ka. Got it? If you want to cross check, you can convert it back into decimal and check also. All of you got the correct answer?
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
So you have done using division method?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now convert this one into decimal. 1010. What is the place value? 16th place, 8th place, 4th place, 2th place, 1st place. 16th place is not there. Only 4 digits are there. 8421.
Ma'am, 10.
Ma'am, 10.
Okay. So 8 plus 1 is there, 2 plus 1 is there. So 8 plus 2, how much? 10.
10.
आ गया समझ में? Now 25 base 8. उसको डेसिमल में पहले कन्वर्ट कर देना. So how do we do that?
Eight
place, yeah. 8th place के बाद 1st place है ना? So 8 3 is 24 and then 24 plus 1 is 25. Sorry, already we got the octal number, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
25. Now when we convert into 2 8s are 16, okay, plus 5 1s are 5. So how much it is? 21 base 10. Okay, children. Now if you look into 8 means 2 cube, isn't it? So every digit of a octal number can be replaced with a binary number of 3 digits. Okay, ma'am? So because 8 is 2 cube. So every octal digit can be represented by using 3 digit binary number. So 2 को binary में convert कर देना. ठीक है? Every digit को separate convert करेंगे. So 2 when we are converting into binary, you should write 3 digits, children. Okay? So what are the 3 digits we will get? 0 1 0.
0 1 0 1 0 1.
Correct. So 0 1 0 is for 8. Okay, ma'am. So then this one. So 5 के लिए 1 0 1. Only 3 digits. This itself is the binary equivalent. If you want to cross check, you can cross check by dividing 21 with 2. So 21 को convert करेंगे अभी. ठीक है, 21 को binary में कर देना.
Ma'am, can we convert letters also to binary?
Letters मतलब?
A, B, C, D.
Decimal letters only will come. Sorry, letters also will come. See, now 1's place, 2's place, 4's place, 8's place, 16's place is needed for 21. Got it? So if you take in 16's place 1, okay, then 4's place 1. Okay, children. So 4's place also 1. Then
1.
0. Then 1. आ गया 16 plus 4 plus 1. 21 आ गया.
1.
So same thing we got here when we converted octal values to directly to binary. Leftmost में 0 है तो इसका value discard कर सकते हैं ना? Yes or no, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it? So octal number को direct कैसे binary में convert करेंगे? By replacing every digit with 3 digits equivalent binary value. Okay, children? So now, yeah, now CAB, cap to decimal and binary we have to do. So this is already 16s, right? So 16 square means how much? 256 place.
256.
And then 16's place and then ones place. So in this 256 place we have C, and then we have under 16, what is the value? A, and then under 1, what is the value? B. C matlab what is the value? Numerical value equivalent.
12.
A is 10.
C is 12.
Yeah, B is 11. And C is
C is
12.
ma'am. C is 12.
Correct. So now, what are we supposed to do? 12 multiplied by 256 plus 16 multiplied by 10 plus 1 multiplied by 11. How much total, children? How much? 12, 256. Three zero seven two. Okay. Then 16 tens 160. 11. How much?
Ma'am, 3243.
3243. Base 10. Okay. So now instead
Ma'am, I
of
didn't understand.
Sorry.
Ma'am, I didn't understand. How did you get that 256?
16 power, because it is base 16, place value will be, see, if you are having a decimal number, least significant bit position value is 1, ones place, tens place, 10 squares place, 10 cubes place. वैसे जाएगा ना बेटा? Similarly, based on the number system, so it is base 16, so ones place, 16s place, 16 squares place, 16 cubes place, वैसे जाएगा to the left.
Okay,
Same thing, binary में देख लो, ones place, twos place, fours place, eights place, 16s place, that is always 2 to the power of. Octal में देखो, ones place, eights place, 8 squares place, वैसे जाएगा. ठीक है, समझ में आ गया? किसी भी नंबर सिस्टम में. हाँ. Now convert this one into 16 मतलब 2 to the power of how much? 2 to the power of, अरे यार, 2 to the power of 0 is 1. 2 to the power of 1 is 2. 2 square is 4. 2 cube is 8.
8.
2 to the power of 4 is 16. So every digit in hexadecimal can be replaced by 4 digits of binary. Okay, ma. So 4 digits means 8, 4, 2, 1. The trace values 8, 4, 2, 1. Correct? So we have CAB, right? C मतलब how much? 12. So 12 में कैसे मिलेगा? 1, 1, 0, 0. Correct? Then 10 कैसे मिलेगा? 1, 0, 1, 0. 8 plus 2 है ना 10. ठीक है. Next 11 कैसे मिलेगा? 8 plus 2 plus 1. So this is the binary equivalent of CAB of hexadecimal. Have you all noted down, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you all got the correct answers, same answers. Sorry?
Ma'am, can you explain the last step again?
Here, CAB यहाँ से कर रहे हैं ना बेटा? Okay. So CAB को हमने ले लिया. CAB is in which language? Tell me. Which base system, ma'am?
Hexadecimal.
Hexadecimal, correct. So हेक्साडेसिमल वैल्यू को हमको करना है डेसिमल में और बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट करना है. किसी भी नंबर सिस्टम में कोई भी नंबर है उसको डेसिमल में कैसे लाएंगे? by taking the place sum of place value multiplied by face value. Okay, so now this is the least significant. B is in the least significant. What is its place value? 1. Position value. Okay, 1's place, then 16's place, then 256 place. Got it? So now हर एक डिजिट को मैंने वो पोजीशन के हिसाब से लिखी. So C is in 256 place, A is in 16th place, B is in 1's place. Actually C मतलब numerically we have to do some calculation. Actually C मतलब क्या है? 12 है ना? A मतलब 10, B मतलब 11. So what should, to get the equivalent decimal value, 12 is to be multiplied by 256 plus 10 into 16 plus 11 into 1. इतना समझ में आ गया? Right. So 12 into 256 how much? 3072. 16 into 10 how much? 160. 11 into 1 how much? 11. So sum किया तो 3243 base 10. Okay. So instead of again dividing 3243 with 2 to get a binary equivalent, okay, instead of doing that, what am I doing is base 16 से direct binary में कैसे convert करते हैं? डायरेक्ट मतलब सी हर एक हेक्साडेसिमल वैल्यू को हम 4 डिजिट इक्विवेलेंट बाइनरी वैल्यू लिख सकते हैं. सो हर एक हेक्साडेसिमल मतलब सो इट इज अप टू 15 ओनली, राइट? सो 8421 कोड हमको 8421 मतलब 1's place, 2's place, 4's place, 8's place, 4 digits of binary. Okay, so हर एक वैल्यू ऑफ द हेक्साडेसिमल नंबर to be replaced with 4 digit equivalent of binary. ठीक है बेटा? So it is not all the combination, right? Only C को हम 8421 में convert करो, वैसे A को भी 8421 में convert करो, वैसे B को भी 8421 में convert करो. हो गया? So C value मतलब 12 ना? 12 कैसे मिलेगा? 8 plus 4 है ना? So remaining digits 0. आगे समझ में? 10 कैसे मिलेगा? 8 plus 2, so 8 का 1, 2 का 1, remaining digits 0. देन हमको 11 चाहिए. 11 कैसे मिलेगा? ऑड नंबर, सो 1's place में 1 आएगा, देन 8 plus 2 is 10. Did you all understand, children? If you understood, give one more question I'll give you. Quickly do that. Okay, so now you do 256 base 16 to binary. 256 base 16 binary. Quickly do, children.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Ma'am.
all these things, ma'am, these binary digits and all these ones and zeros, it's due to computer receives only ones and zeros, right?
Yeah.
Ma'am, what's wrong with computer, ma'am? Why can't it receive normal letters and numbers?
For receiving normal letters and numbers, actually at the lowest level it is electronic circuit ना मैडम, circuit में only on off होता है ना, इसलिए.
Ma'am,
Yes,
That-
ma'am.
ma'am, one after that 8 zeros. Is that correct answer, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Same.
So here 16 को सिर्फ no wait let me see. So 8421 कोड हर एक डिजिट के लिए लेना है, भूलना नहीं, ठीक है. So here 3 digits are there, है ना. So 2 के लिए क्या लिखना है? 0010, ठीक है. Then 5 के लिए,
हाँ.
5 के लिए बताओ 0101, करेक्ट है ना. Then
Yes,
6
ma'am.
के लिए बताओ
0 1.
So this is the binary equivalent of hexadecimal. That's what I told you very clearly. Base देख लेना, ठीक है. Base 16 है
Ma'am,
तो
last one is
हर एक
64.
डिजिट का 8421 में कन्वर्ट कर लो और एक कर देना. So only leftmost 2 zeros we can ignore. So 1001 01 0110 is the answer. आपने डिवाइड किया होगा, इट इज नॉट डेसिमल. डेसिमल वैल्यू है तो आप डिवाइड कर सकते हैं.
Ma'am, can you repeat that number?
See, 256 base 10, if you are converting into binary, what do we get, children? Base 10. Base 10 मतलब 2 से डिवाइड करना है, ठीक है. रिमाइंडर लेते रहना. So आपको फाइनल आंसर आएगा
Ma'am, 1 with 8
position,
zeros.
then 128 position, then 64 position, 32, 16, 8th position, then 4th position, 2th position, 1st position, ठीक है. So इसमें 1, then all zeros. If it is a decimal value, तो आंसर आपने बताया ना वो सही है. 1 के बाद 8 zeros. But the question was, what was the question? Hexadecimal, है ना. So hexadecimal में
Hexadecimal
हर
to
एक
binary.
डिजिट का, ठीक है. So do not look at the number, okay, the symbols in that number, okay. So what is the base? Base 16 में भी 256 256 is also available. Got it, children? See, base 16 में 0 से लेकर F तक सिंबल्स आ सकता है, ठीक है. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 A B C D E F. So what is the base that we should focus on? Now one more question. 256 base 8 को बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट कर देना. Convert 256 base 8 to binary. When it is a base 8, हर एक डिजिट को क्या करना है? 4 to 1 कोड में लाना है, ठीक है. मतलब 3 डिजिट से रिप्लेस करना है. So 2 कैसे मिलेगा? 010. 5 कैसे मिलेगा? 101. 6 कैसे मिलेगा? 110. हो गया? आ गए समझ में? Practice needs, you need lot of practice, children. Practice only makes man perfect, okay. If you understood the concept, you have to practice, children. Okay, ma'am. So binary to octal, octal to binary, binary to decimal, decimal to binary, binary to hexadecimal, hexadecimal to binary. Right. So now we will do one binary to octal conversions. Okay, 2 questions we will do. Okay, children. So now take one binary number 100 100. Okay, 100 101. Convert it into octal. तबले कहाँ से शुरू करेंगे? राइट मोस्ट से शुरू करेंगे, ठीक है। तो राइट मोस्ट से शुरू करके हम 3 डिजिट्स का सेपरेट करेंगे।
मैम 544।
हाँ, नाउ इसका कोडिंग क्या होता है? 421। इसका नेक्स्ट कोडिंग 421, next coding 421. So now if you see 4, then is 4, then it is 5. Okay beta, 4 4 5 base 8. Okay, any doubt you can ask me.
Ma'am, why it is 445, ma'am, last step?
See 100 ना बेटा, so 4 का जगह पे ही 1 आ गया ना, so 2 into 0 is 0, 1 into 0 is 0. So when you have converted this much portion, 4,
Understood, ma'am.
okay, then this much portion, 3 digits only from the rightmost, only 3 digits, 3 digits, 3 digits, 3 digits, वैसे सेपरेट करना, ठीक है। आप एनसर्किल भी कर सकते हैं जब नोटबुक में लिख रहे हैं, ठीक है। सो लेट अस डू वन मोर क्वेश्चन। 0100 1 sorry 101 1100 100 then 101. Now convert it into octal. Are you all doing? Only 2 people are responding. आ गया आंसर? राइट मोस्ट डिजिट से 3 डिवाइड करना, ठीक है।
Ma'am, 8445.
Ma'am, 1445.
सी बेटा, इसमें लेफ्ट मोस्ट में सिंगल 1 मिल गया, तो 1 डिजिट ओनली इज नीडेड ना। नेक्स्ट में 4 to 1, 4 place 2 place 1 place. बताओ आंसर क्या है?
145.
1445.
45. 5.
Got it? So this is the octal equivalent of given binary number. Okay, so that is leftmost में हम ना zeros ले सकते हैं if you want to correct exact 3 digits, because एक ही बची है ना, तो 4 to 1 ले लिया तो भी आपको वंस डिजिट में ही 1 मिलेगा। लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में कितना भी जीरोस डालो, वैल्यू का किसी वैल्यू का वैल्यू नहीं चेंज होता है, किसी नंबर का वैल्यू चेंज नहीं होता है ना, इसलिए। So now we will do one binary to hexadecimal. Okay, 1100
Ma'am,
1101 0010. Base 2, convert it into hexadecimal. हेक्साडेसिमल में क्या करना है, 4 को ज्वाइन करना है, एलएसबी से शुरू करना है हमेशा।
Ma'am, CD2 CD2.
How much?
Ma'am, CD2.
C8, yeah. So here 8421 है ना, so हर एक का 8421 है ना, so 8421
19
1100, then 1101, then 0010. Okay, now convert it, 8 plus 4 कितना है 12, 12 मतलब ABC. Next 12 plus 1 13, so कितना हो गया ये वैल्यू,
And D.
then 2. This is base 16. That is the answer. Okay, your answer is correct. आगे समझ में? So now let's proceed to types of softwares. Sanskrit, just we revised yesterday whatever we discussed, ma'am, when you are not there. Yeah, just whatever number system, that conversion only. This only we have done today. So this entire thing, okay?
Yes.
Yeah. So not to
Okay,
worry.
ma'am.
Yeah. Now we will be proceeding to our new topic. That is, what is the today's topic? Types of softwares we will discuss. Okay. So in types of softwares, yeah, main classification as
when
per
will we
our
have a
syllabus.
Kahoot quiz, ma'am?
Which one?
Ma'am, any Kahoot quiz, ma'am.
Yeah, today we would like to have. Today, yeah, see, what I'm thinking is, let me first complete the syllabus. Okay, so then we'll have the Kahoot in the beginning. See, today's class, tomorrow we will have Kahoot. That way.
Okay, ma'am.
So Wednesday, when is your exam?
I'm from Monday.
Monday, say. So when is your computer science exam?
Ma'am, Wednesday.
Wednesday, right. Okay, so yeah, let me quickly, if you people cooperate with me, then we'll have Kahoot also today. Okay, fine. So types of software. So in the types of software, what is software, children, tell me? Which we cannot touch and feel, but it is set of instructions, programs. Okay, so what is a program? Program is set of meaningful instructions, isn't it? So software is a single program or collection of programs. Okay, so what are the types of software based on the usage of that software? It can be application software, system software, and then utility software also. Utility is one of application only, but as per our syllabus, okay, as it is mentioned as a separate software, so let us note it as a separate one only. Okay ma. So application software, आपने सारे apps download करते हैं ना, apps, all apps are application only. Okay, so application app का purpose क्या होता है? Specific task है ना, specialized task, isn't it? So only that particular task it will perform, that application. So that is an application software. It handles a specialized common task a user wants to perform, such as banking, hotel management, data processing, or PowerPoint presentation, right? Word processing, Excel, Notepad. All these are specific applications, isn't it? So they are all application softwares. Okay. Then system software. System software, what does it do? It controls the basic functions of a computer and hides complexity of computer system from user and application software. For example, operating system. वो program तो हमको नहीं दिखता है, लेकिन ये without operating system we cannot operate with the computer at all, isn't it? Compilers, interpreters, whenever you are executing a program, behind the translators are working. Okay, they are all system software. Then utility software. Utilities means आपका see wash area वैसे होता है ना, so like that we have some special antivirus softwares, zipping, unzipping, okay, backup, disk fragmentation, disk defragmentation. Got it, children? So all these things are utility softwares. Utility softwares which help to manage, maintain, and control computer resources. Computer resources, memory, उसको manage करने के लिए, ठीक है? Security issues, all those things we comes under utility software. This much is clear, right? So coming to system software, see, we have keyboard, computer, that is monitor, all the flash drives, all those things are connected. But internally, whenever we connect an USB drive, immediately it should be recognized by your system, right? So there is internally one software, that is operating system. What is an operating system? It is not a device. Okay, children. So operating system is a software. Okay, it is a system program that provides an interface between user of the computer and the computer. User means kaun? We are the users. Okay, so what does it do to the user? It provides the resources. Okay, so it manages the resources. It manages the applications. It manages the resources like memory, how much memory is left out, how much memory is can be used by the applications, can be used by the files, like that. Okay, so memory management it will do, disk management it will do, scheduling it will not. Okay, so now we see here what are the examples of operating system. Android operating system. Okay, Lollipop, Android versions are there, no? Microsoft Windows is an operating system. Solaris is an operating system. Linux, MacOS, right? Ubuntu, Apple's iPhone. These are all the iOS operating system.
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am.
What?
Ma'am, why iOS operating system provides such a very good security, ma'am?
Everything is in that. See, all people are habituated to this Windows. It is more user friendly, isn't it? And that little more what is that complication is there, no? Even Linux is also more secure. Why? Because it is not having that much graphical user interface controls, dear. See, everything you should by heart those commands. Okay, so using those commands when we are doing and all, it is more secure, isn't it? Many people,
Yes,
many
ma'am.
of us do not want to remember so many things, right? We are all depending on devices now. Okay.
Ma'am, Android has
And
more
ma'am, yes,
attacks
ma'am, and
because hackers can easily access into the firewall, and it has more users. That's why they focus more mainly on Android.
ma'am, iOS Pro tells that if someone hacked their iOS device, so they can give them millions of dollars, ma'am.
Yeah, that's
Ma'am,
what more
decoding.
firewalls they kept, more security issue. Security is there. See, Windows jaisa itna free that GUIs and all is not given. Okay. Yeah. So now let's go to types of software only. Yeah. See, at the lowest level we have hardware. Whatever device only is there. Tangible entities are there. Okay, it's memory or it's electronic circuit or whatever it is. So on this hardware, we have the operating system, children. On this operating system kernel, we have software. Okay, so user looks at this software and thinking that everything is that only. But actually, in the background, operating system is there. So this operating system is like a government, right? So, like a principal, he will be governing entire system of education, isn't it? The school system. The government is controlling the entire system of our India, isn't it? Okay, whatever. But do they actually do something? Similarly, operating system also. So it actually doesn't do anything, but it has everything in that. It controls everything. Okay, it is providing the processor management, memory management, disk space management. So it provides a stable, consistent way for applications to deal with the hardware without having to know all the details of the hardware. Okay, so that is the main advantage of what are the types, what are the main functions of operating system. What are the functions of operating system? Tell me, children. Processors. How many processors are there? How much capacity it can take? And see, when the other processor is busy, it will redirect to the other processor, like work distribution kind of. Okay. Processor management. Then memory management. Allocate, deallocate of memory for program execution. Then device management. Okay. Then storage management. That is device management is if printer is busy, so it will be sending that to another device or waiting in the queue. Okay, so that way device management, storage management, application interface, provides an application interface or not. See, जैसे हमको जो भी दिख रहा है, ठीक है, that is the interface. So इसके हिसाब से हम क्लिक करेंगे ना, right? Application interface, that is application program interface, API. Drivers, okay, device drivers, they provide a way for application to make use of hardware. जब आपने USB connect किया, if your USB is not properly plugged in, immediately you will get a prompt, isn't it? Or you see, if your network cable is not properly fixed, then you will get a cross mark, no, into mark. Yes or no? So how it is coming automatically? That is from the operating system. Who's look after all these things? What are the functions of operating system, children? Tell me, repeat after me. Processor management, memory management, device management,
Storage
storage management, application interface, user interface. Okay. So there will be a question of how many list any 4 functions of operating system, like that. Many a times this is a repeated question. So in this chapter, no, whatever we are discussing, every point is very important. Okay, ma. So now let's go forth and see the next one. So what are the types of operating system? Initially, see, when initial days of computer, right? So when the computer was invented and all. So first they have directly done the batch processing se pehle card reader. Okay, so punched cards, wherever they wanted one. So all the OMR sheets you have seen, no, bubbles are there. So there, wherever correct answer you are bubbling, isn't it? That way, wherever, now everything to be converted into binary, no. See, now we have done up to hexadecimal. but ASCII code is 7-bit code. Okay, hexadecimal is 4-bit code. आगे समझ में? So every hexadecimal number we have converted into 4 bits, isn't it? Right. So now ASCII code is every digit. So हमारा कीबोर्ड में जो भी की प्रेस करते हैं ना, it is equivalent to 7 bits in ASCII. Okay. So that 7-bit code, wherever 1 is to be there, there it is punched. Punching करते हैं ना. So if you want to file your all the papers and all, you will punch it and put into your file, isn't it? So punching, that bubble. Okay. So wherever you punch, you know, that hole will be there, isn't it? So wherever that punching is there, that is indicated as 1. So initially they have written programs in binary language, children. You can imagine. So if at all one mistake happens, that entire card has to be discarded. Again, they have to prepare the coding. It was very difficult, isn't it? So slowly they developed batch processing. Batch processing is batch of see, all the jobs they kept ready in the memory, and then the processor will be taking one by one and doing processing those jobs. Okay, so that way, how many users at a time can use that operating system? Single user?
Ma'am, what is DOS, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is DOS?
BIOS, no? This one, DOS, disk operating system.
Yes,
DOS is disk operating system. See, for example, I'll show you. Command prompt में जाएंगे ना. See, actually, this was the actual operating system initially. Command prompt, now it has become like one part of the entire system. ठीक है? So इधर हम ना, suppose if you want to create a folder, mkdir, okay. So Kiran, I'm preparing. Access denied. So like this, you should use the commands. But instead of using, if I have to go to so Python 27 folder, cd space Python 27, I should use. Now I'm into that folder. Got it, child? But now we are not doing like this. What are we doing? Directly, we'll open the Windows Explorer. We go to computer in C drive. What do you want? You will go to C drive. Like this, we are just clicking. With one click, it is happening nowadays. But actually, the operating system was having, it was made up of so many commands. See, Python 27, I clicked it. Now I am in this folder. But how do I come to this? In the disk operating system, I have to write the command. Okay, command prompt में आप जो भी करते हैं ना, वो सब disk operating system वाला commands है. ठीक है बेटा? So single user, only one person at a time can use that operating system, and one task only can be done. अभी विंडोज में क्या करते हैं, एक विंडो इधर खोलते हैं और दूसरा विंडो उधर खोलते हैं, है ना? है कि नहीं? So but initially it was single user, single task operating system. Then single user, multitask operating system. Slowly they developed, like Windows 95 or later versions of Windows. Then multi-user operating system. That is, see, what do I do? See, I am logged into one account. Okay, instead of shutdown, what do I do? Log off कर सकती हूँ, नहीं तो दूसरा यूजर में लॉग इन कर सकती हूँ, switch यूजर कर सकती हूँ कि नहीं? So that means multiple users can have, as if they are using their own system, they can feel, no? That is multi-user operating system. Okay, so then multi-processing operating system. Single process only runs on multiple processes. Okay, so single process मतलब सपोज आपको एक ही चीज को एक ही काम करना है, ठीक है? लेकिन what do? You divide your work into sub parts, modules, and every module you are sharing in your team, right? And once they completed their task, you combine all of them together. Got it, children? So one program, one process, okay, runs on 2 or more processors, and all the processing and their management takes place in parallel way. Hence, this operating system is also called as parallel processing. Multi-processing is also known as parallel processing. Got it, children? So Linux, Unix and Windows 7 operating systems are the examples for this. Then embedded operating system, जैसे washing machine on करते हैं, नहीं तो अपना अभी even your vehicles also nowadays, right? So it will be automatically showing how much distance you have traveled and how much petrol is left out, right? Embedded, okay, within, inbuilt. Got it? So these are the embedded in a device. Okay, so which are in a read-only memory. OS, microwaves, washing machines, all these are the examples of that. Then distributed operating system. Distributed में क्या होता है? So they will be like, just like in multiprocessing only, but here distributed. Okay, the computer works in cooperation with each other. आगे समझ में? These are all the different types of operating system. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you define compiler and interpreter?
I will define. No, see, I'm about to do that, right? So, yeah.
I thought you did.
Yeah. So now in the system software itself, now we have seen the operating system. Then there are programming softwares also, right? जब आपने एक प्रोग्राम एग्जीक्यूट कर दिया, अपना प्रोग्राम कौन सी भाषा में लिखते हैं? इंग्लिश में लिखते हैं ना? But the computer understands only binary, right? So it has to be translated, right? Whatever we are writing in the code, whatever coding we are doing in English kind of language, it should be translated into binary. And again, the result also should come in our understandable form, not computer understandable form. If it is in the computer understandable form, everything is in ones and zeros, isn't it? So we need some softwares which can translate. See, which can translate. First, we have assemblers. Okay, ma. So assemblers, what do they do? Assembly level language. So they will translate assembly level language to binary and binary to assembly back. Right. So in that one pass assembler, multi-pass assemblers are there. One pass means one scan, children. Like from top to bottom, one scan में आपका पूरा translation हो जाएगा. See, one pass assembler go through the source code once. Okay. Any symbol used before it is defined will require errata at the end of the object, telling the linker or the loader to go back and overwrite a placeholder which had been left where that is at undefined symbol. Okay. That is how in one pass assembler translation takes place. Multi-pass assembler में क्या होता है ना? It creates a table of symbols with their values in the first pass. Then uses that table. Okay. So again, one more scanning we will do. Like, from top to bottom, see, once we are reading from top to bottom, yeah, what are all the operators here? What are all the symbols here? What are all the keywords here? Right? That way, it will be first creating a table of all the symbols. Then what should I do with these symbols? What must be the value I have to replace in these symbols? Or what operation I should do? Like that in the next passes, next scans, it will be processed. That is multi-pass assembler. So this is for the assembly language. Okay, children. So assembly language, assembly language is, it looks like English only, but it is 3 address code. Only 3, like, in every line, see, move. AX, 7. So 7 is moved into register AX. Then add BX. So AX and BX are added and the result is in AX. With the registers directly, it will be dealing with. Assembly language is like that. Got it, children? So for one addition or multiplication, we have to write 4-5 lines of coding in assembly language. Okay. So then the high level languages came into existence. High level languages, they use this assembler at the lowest level. Okay, already see, see, now one German person came to our India. Okay, So Nikhil can translate from English to Hindi, but someone should translate from German to English, no? So if for example Sahil can Shivam can translate from German to English. So again yeah, when people understand only Hindi, do I need another translator who can translate directly from German to Hindi? Need not be, right? Because Shivam can translate from German to English and Nikhil can translate from English to Hindi. Got it? समझ में आ गया ना? वैसे ही हमारे लैंग्वेजेस में भी अभी जो भी हम लैंग्वेजेस यूज कर रहे हैं, दे आर ऑल सिमिलर टू इंग्लिश. Okay, they are all high level languages. So in these high level languages, again going to assembler, again translating the entire high level language to zeros and ones need not be. Directly what they will do, no? It converts the high level language into machine code or that tree address code or to that assembly language code, okay, in one go, right? At a time. From the top to bottom, all the errors are shown in one go. Okay, children. If you correct all the errors, then only your program will be processed. All the errors to be rectified, then only your program is executed. But in the case of interpreter, कई बार आपने देखा होगा ना, ट्रांसलेटर्स एक सेंटेंस ना जर्मन में बोल दिया वो जर्मन आदमी, ठीक है, इमीडिएटली Shivam will translate from German to English and then immediately Nikhil will translate from English to Hindi. है कि नहीं? पूरा जर्मन वाला पूरा बात करने तक आप वेट करते हैं कि ट्रांसलेशन एक एक सेंटेंस करते हैं. जब वे डायरेक्टली लोग से बात करना चाहते हैं तो कैसे करते हैं? How do we do that? One sentence only will translate. So that is the concept in interpreter. Interpreter में क्या होता है? एक लाइन का ट्रांसलेशन होता है. It translates code like a compiler, but reads the code and immediately executes that code. Okay, it will not wait for the entire code to be read. If there are any errors in between, above that till above line, it can be translated. Got it, children? So both all these three are translators only. Translator means it's not a person. It is a software, okay, which translates, which converts high level language coding into machine level coding and vice versa. Got it? But compiler, it will do in one go, whereas interpreter, line by line. Assembler, middle level language, not high level language. Okay. So from the assembly language to C. So this is very, very important, children. Difference between compiler and interpreter. Many
And what's present in normal computers?
Sorry?
And what's present in normal computers? Compiler or interpreter?
Compiler or interpreter is for normal computer नहीं बेटा, computer language का, programming language. कौन सा programming language? See, अगर हम Python यूज कर रहे हैं तो interpreter यूज कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? अगर आपने C लैंग्वेज यूज कर रहे हैं तो कंपाइलर्स यूज करते हैं.
मैम C++
भी कंपाइलर है.
मैम Java
interpreter. Even compiler also is there, Java compiler, but Java virtual machine is also there, no? So yeah, even your browsing HTML आप करते हैं ना, HTML कोडिंग आपने सीख लिया होगा ना कंप्यूटर पीरियड में. अगर आपने लोअर क्लासेस में सीख लिया तो हाँ, HTML इंटरप्रेटर. इसलिए अगर किसी कहीं पे गलत होने पर भी आपका थोड़ा सा रिजल्ट तो आएगा, पूरा रिजल्ट नहीं आएगा. अगर आपने कहीं पे मिस्टेक किया तो फिर भी थोड़ा सा रिजल्ट आएगा. लेकिन कंपाइलर में क्या होता है, एक भी मिस्टेक होने पर आपको कुछ भी रिजल्ट नहीं आएगा.
मैम Python is interpreter, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Python का कंपाइलर भी है बेटा, but we are using interpreter so that yeah, see, you can see, no?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, like for making apps, ma'am, for a single feature, ma'am, we have to do so much coding, ma'am. Why, ma'am?
Why? Because the computer understands only zeros and ones, no? See, अभी हमने एक नंबर को, छोटा सा नंबर को ट्रांसलेट कर दिया आज, है ना, छोटे छोटे नंबर को, लेकिन वैसे एक कैब जैसे लिखते हैं, हमारा कितना टेक्स्ट होता है बताओ? So everything to be at the scratch level, it is zeros and ones, no dear. It is to be translated. अगर आपने डायरेक्ट जैसे हमने इधर ट्रांसलेट किया वैसे ट्रांसलेट किया तो हर एक आदमी को हमारा बैंक पासवर्ड सब कुछ पता भी चल जाता है ना? Then where is the security? So directly now we learned this one so that you will understand the concept behind. Okay, number translations we have done, but actually direct translation वैसे नहीं करते हैं. There will be some other encrypting algorithms, decrypting algorithms. Okay, so much of cryptography, so much of security algorithms are there. They again those codings will be done, and after that see directly apna so you see whatever you are talking to your friend, you don't want me to understand, right? So then directly you will speak to your friend, which I also understand. Similarly, like defense people, they want to speak to each other. Do they speak like that? No, na. Some secret code should be there, right? Ciphertext should be there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, encoding, encrypting and decrypting. जैसे OTP वाला हमारा software आता है ना. Okay, ma. So now let's quickly go through this also, application software. So based on the purpose, specific purpose, if it is solving, then it is softwares which are designed for specific task or special purpose or specific purpose application software. General purpose are see like Microsoft Word सभी लोग use करते हैं ना, spreadsheet सब लोग use करते हैं ना. That way whatever we are using for everybody commonly used is general purpose. For a special purpose, see hotel management, hospital management, stock management, payroll, they are for the special, not for every one of us, isn't it? Specific task.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so they like that you can give the examples for application software. Then coming to utility software, as I already discussed with you, antivirus, compression, that is zipping, WinZip, Zip7, right? Right, there are the different tools, right? Then disk cleanup, disk defragmenter, backup, recovery lete hai na. So file management tools, restore, system restore, all these comes under utility software. Okay, so these are all the things you should this 7 slides, 10 slides also you should read, children, for the exam. Okay, any doubts here? Here I'll stop.
No, ma'am.
So and from the next class onwards, we will be discussing the programming. Okay, ma'am. So from the next class, I'll start programming.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So now it is 10:05 or 10:10. What's the time?
10:05, ma'am.
10:05. So do you want to have a Kahoot quiz, or we will wind up here?
Ma'am, wind up, ma'am. Next class.
Yeah. Okay. So you have to prepare for your examinations also. Yeah. Once your examinations are over, then we will continue with our Kahoot. Okay, ma. So now, God bless you all. Take good care and study well. Practice, children. These number systems and all. 1 or 2 questions will be there as per the blueprint. You go through and prepare, ma.
Thank you, ma'am.